Hi everyone, we're gonna unbox the latest LootCrate Marvel Gear and Goods box. This is the May, which we got at the end of June box, which is themed to black. So if you've paid attention to our other unboxings, they've done colors this year. So they've done red and blue, so now we're on to black. So we'll see what's inside. So first we've got a t-shirt that is surprisingly black. And let's see who it is. It is Black Widow from the upcoming movie, which should have been out already, but it's not. So that's kind of neat. So we'll leave that over here. And I don't know what this is, but it seems like it's vacuum sealed. And it feels like a bleach towel, but don't know which character associated with the color black it is. Oh, it's Venom. Sort of a retro superhero Venom towel. It's very soft. Not super thick, but very lightweight, but very comfortable. Probably a great blanket. It's a blanket more than a towel. And now we have this Black Panther glass. It's got the Black Panther iconography on the front and the Marvel Gear and Goods stamp on the bottom. And our last item is from a character also with the name Black Bolt. These it's a coaster set. For some reason they're 15 for ages 15 and above. Oh, cool. They're rubbery. They're not like hard coasters. They kind of bend, and they got retro Black Bolt look to them. So this one's angry because someone didn't use a coaster. And for those who are not familiar with Black Bolt, his voice is so powerful. If he talks, it would destroy the world. So you don't want him talking like that. Then you have Black Bolt spreading his wings. Black Bolt telling you to be quiet so you don't destroy the universe. And this drink belongs to Wolf Blank because Black Bolt can't talk. So in the past when he speaks, people die. So I'm glad he's not speaking and encouraging you to use a coaster when appropriate. So there's a set of 4. And then the last thing in here is the QR code to tell you what's inside the box. They used to have an insert so you would know what to expect, but now they just give you a QR code. So there it is. So that's the black set. This is actually kind of fun. It's got this great blanket in there. You can create your own Marvel themed black dining set, I guess. So it's a lot of fun. So that's all caught up, and actually they're all caught up now too. So because the next box shouldn't be expected until July. So we'll see what color that is when we get it. So thanks so much for joining us. This was the black themed Marvel Gears and Goods box from LootCrate. Thanks, and we'll see you later.